Smartphone Lenovo Z6 Pro 5G officially presented. As part of the Mobile World Congress 2019 event taking place in Shanghai these days, another smartphone was introduced that supports work in 5th generation communication networks. We are talking about the device Lenovo Z6 Pro 5G edition, which is not much different from the original version of the device. Welcome to Science and Knowledge. My name is Shehbaz Ali. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel for our future videos. The Lenovo Z6 Pro 5G received a display with a narrow frames and a compact teardrop shaped notch in the upper part for the front camera. In the appearance of a 6.39 inches display made by technology Super AMOLED, it occupies approximately 85.3% of the front surface of the device, has an aspect ratio of 16.5 by 9 and supports a resolution of 2340 by 1080 pixels. The front camera of the device is based on a 32 megapixel sensor. The main camera includes a 48 megapixel sensor, which is complemented by 16, 8 and 2 megapixel sensors. The performance of the device is provided by the flagship 8-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 chip, the configuration complemented by the Adreno 640 graphics accelerator, and the Snapdragon X50 modem provides operation in the 5th generation communication networks. The device is available in several configurations, and the top of the range assumes the presence of 12 GB of RAM and internal storage of 512 GB. The smartphone has a built-in wireless Wi-Fi and Bluetooth adapters, as well as a receiver of GPS signals and NFC chip. For autonomy is responsible battery 4000 mAh, which supports the technology of the fast charging 18 watts. With a weight of 185 grams, the gadget has dimension of 157.5 by 74.6 by 8.7 mm. The software component is implemented on the basis of the mobile platform Android 9.0 Pie. The presentation did not disclose information about when the smartphone Lenovo Z6 Pro 5G will be available. Probably these data, as well as the retail price of the novelty, will be announced later. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge or visit our website www.targetyoutube.com. Until the next video, take care. Bye bye.